Yeah.
That was awesome.
Pretty cool, huh, Aileen?
I love it.
Congratulations. Let me help you up.
Oh, thank you.
You bet. My pleasure. So you think you'd ever do it again?
Oh, in a minute. Let's go right now.
Right on. Welcome to skydiving, girl. Nice job.
That is awesome.
Right on, guys.
So